this excited about anything in such a long time, guys. I am literally shaking. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just turned on the camera, okay? This is my setup where I do my beauty videos. Guys, I have my other day, guys. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Oh my God, I don't even know what to say, guys. I am shaking. I'm shaking, guys. I can't even get the paper off. Oh my God. Okay, Lydia, calm down. Calm down. Calm down, okay. I got my... Guys, look, it's here. It's my DNA, my heritage DNA testing kit. It is here. It is here. Oh my God. Okay. I don't even know what to do. I'm so nervous. Look, it's gonna take like 4 weeks for my results, and I'm just flipping out over receiving it. Okay. All right, guys, let me calm down for a second, and then I'm gonna read the instructions. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Okay. Give me a moment. Okay, so it slides open like this. And then there is a lid that lifts up. Oops, I'm dropping everything, guys. Lifts up, and okay, I guess I have to have enough memory on my camera if I'm gonna do this on camera. Okay, number one, it says to activate your kit online. Do not skip this step. It is necessary to get your results. And then it says number two is to open the test kit and lay out the unopened swabs and valves on a clean surface. Number three is remove one cheek swab from its wrapper and use the swab head to swab the inside of your cheeks while rotating the swab for 30 seconds. Open one valve and insert the swab inside. That's number four. Swab end down. Once the swab touches the bottom of the valve, break the swab against the inside edge of the valve as at the marked black line, leaving the swab end inside the liquid in the valve. Choose to close the valve tightly, number five. Number six, swab your other cheek with the second swab. Insert the swab into the second valve, break the swab end off the marked line, and close the valve cap tightly. Okay, make sure the valve caps are closed tightly. Both valves on the cotton pad. Make sure the valve caps are closed tightly. Place both valves on the cotton pad in the clear package and close the zip lock. Now place the bag in an enclosed address envelope and seal the envelope. Mail the envelope at your postage expense to our DNA lab. Okay, so that's pretty simple. So I'm just going to show you what's in the kit. Okay, so that was the instructions, and this is the swab, which I'm going to put my valves in once I have swabbed my cheeks. This is the envelope that I am to mail them back in. I live across the street from the post office, so that will be done. I think I'm going to just do this in the morning, guys. Here are the swabs that they give you to swab your cheeks with, and I do see the black line where, and then these are the valves. It's two of them, and it's got like a little liquid in it, and these are what you break it off into. I guess the liquid preserves the DNA. and I have 2 of those. So I think what I'm going to do is I probably need to do this in the morning because it doesn't say how long I can have this out. And yeah, so I'm going to do some research and find out if it has to, you know, do I need to mail it immediately once I swab? And I know that glare was on my glasses. And I'm so excited, guys. I am literally about to bust at the seams. But anyway, we're going to come back. I'm going to pick this back up in the morning when I do my DNA testing. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, guys, I'm partially in my kitchen. I'm actually in my kitchen. Y'all overlook the back. Kind of dirty, got to clean up, whatever. You know, just stuff everywhere. But I'm going to go ahead and do it. I kind of did some research on it, and they said that it can be several months. You know, the saliva will be preserved. So I was checking to see if my post office was open tomorrow, but they're closed. And so they won't reopen until Monday. So I was worried about doing it now and then mailing it on Monday. But it'll be fine as long as I have it securely tightened in the little valves that they sent for me. So I'm going to do one of them and let you see basically what I have to do. I have it on some paper towels over there because I want it to be clean, a clean surface. But anyway, I'm going to open this one valve, this one swab, I'm sorry. And you see where that black line is. I'm gonna actually take the swab at the end and swab one side of my cheek. And then I'll have to get the valve, and you do it for like 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds. I'm gonna do 60. And then you take it once you swab your cheek, and then you have to put it in this valve down with the swab down first and break it off at that line. I'm kind of concerned about that because I'm like, wow, that's kind of far down there and I don't know how I'm gonna break it. But they said you should be able to break it against the valve. So I'm gonna try it and see what happens, okay? So, here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna open this end. And make sure you don't touch the end where the swab is. I've washed my hands so that my hands are very clean. So I'm taking the swab out. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Look at my bracelet getting stuck on my shirt and everything. So I'm going to have to take that off. Can't even get my hands out of it now. But anyway, here's the swab. Oh my God. Okay, so inside of my cheek. Okay, I did it for like 60 seconds. I counted. So I opened the valve up, and so I'm going to stick it down in the liquid. Okay, I see. And break it off. That was pretty easy. And tighten it. So do it tight. Make sure it's tight. So it's in there, guys. The worst thing would be to drop it. Okay, so here's the second one. All right, so it's that one. And stick that down in there, and break that one off. And put that on really tight. So that's my valves. Zippered bag. against this cotton pad. So it says to okay, let me see. I don't know if I'm supposed to open it up or. Okay guys, I have completed my DNA testing. Here is my packet with my vials in it with my saliva. And here's the envelope where I mail it securely back to them. And then I'll go online in 3 to 4 weeks to get my results. So I am so excited to bring this to you guys. I want to share it. I know I'm so nervous. I know I was acting crazy and just nervous about trying to even do all of this, but I'm just that excited about it. So this is the first step in my journey to Africa, finding out where my ancestors started. And I'm just really excited. So y'all gonna see some tears along this journey because this is really, really special to me, and I'm just ready. I'm just ready to find out. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal this in my envelope, and then the next step you guys will see is when I come back to you guys with the results, and I'm gonna show you those online so you can see the different geographical areas from which I originated. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know you guys are laughing silly at me because I was making this harder than it has to be, but I'm just really excited and nervous, and I'm all over the place with my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. If anybody has taken this test, please put your information down here in the description bar and tell me how did you feel about it, and you know, all of that. I like to, you know, interact with people that's been through this transition before, that's done this before, and how exciting it can be. So until next time, I'll see you all later. Take care. Bye.